Today we are making comforting pumpkin pork porridge.
Washing the rice until the water runs clear. Soaking the rice helps it cook much faster.
Now for our beautiful fresh pumpkin.
Pumpkin adds a natural sweetness and amazing color.
Look at how vibrant this color is.
Slicing the pumpkin into manageable pieces. Slicing it small so it melts into the porridge.
Perfect little golden cubes. Setting these aside for later.
Time to prepare our aromatics. Shallots bring a wonderful savory fragrance. And some fresh green herbs. These will garnish our hot porridge beautifully.
Now let us marinate the minced pork.
Adding half of the shallots. A little black pepper for warmth. Just a simple savory seasoning. Mix it well and let it rest for 15 minutes.
This will ensure the meat is full of flavor.
Let us cook the pork. Just a tiny bit of oil. Durghatna. Frying the rest of the shallots.
Until they release that amazing aroma.
In goes the marinated pork. Shankal.
Stir quickly so it does not clump.
Cooking it until perfectly browned.
It smells absolutely wonderful.
Taking the pork out so it stays tender.
We will add this back at the end.
Now for the porridge. Adding our soaked rice.
Pouring in plenty of fresh water. Ready to simmer. Liddell.
Bring it to a gentle boil.
Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Watch the rice beautifully bloom.
Becoming rich and creamy. goes the sweet pumpkin. Such a wonderful color combination. Let it all simmer together.
Cooking on low heat until the pumpkin is tender.
Hit like if this golden porridge looks comforting. The pumpkin is perfectly soft now.
Gently mash the pumpkin. Releasing all that natural sweetness and color.
Look at that stunning golden hue.
Time to reunite the savory pork.
Folding the meat right in.
A perfect harmony of ingredients.
A final touch of fish sauce for depth. Seasoning it perfectly. This texture is absolutely incredible. Our porridge is ready. Turning off the heat. It smells like home.
Ready for serving.
Serving up a comforting bowl. Look at how rich and velvety it is.
Packed with delicious savory pork.
A fresh sprinkle of green herbs.
This adds a beautiful, fresh aroma. A touch of black pepper to finish.
Subscribe for more authentic, comforting recipes.
Let us take this to the table.
Breakfast is served. This warm pumpkin porridge is perfect for today. Ready to dig in.
The aroma is simply divine. Look at how creamy this is.
The perfect healing bite. So incredibly rich and smooth. A bowl full of health and happiness. Nature's beautiful colors.
A wonderful morning in the kitchen. Dest. I really hope you try this at home.
Thank you for joining our cozy kitchen.
Have a wonderful day.
See you in the next journey.